हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं गुनेश्वर कलिता आपको सबसे पहले मेरे वीडियो को अंत तक देखने के लिए और देखने के बाद लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा। स्टूडेंट्स, ये मेरा फर्स्ट सेंस का वीडियो नंबर 8 है, वीडियो पार्ट 8 है और दिस वीडियो बेस्ड ऑन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस। So 8 number future perfect tense. Number A. Rita will have learnt the poem by evening. Active voice. इसमें Rita subject है. Rita is the subject here. Will have learnt verb. The poem of object by evening. Additional part of the sentence. Next इनका passive form में होगा. The poem will have been learnt by Rita. So इनका जो ऑब्जेक्ट है, ऑब्जेक्ट इसमें सब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा द पोएम। देन विल हैव वर्ब है, वर्ब विल हैव बीन होगा, विल हैव बीन होगा, विल हैव लर्नड, विल हैव बीन लर्नड। नेक्स्ट प्रीपोजिशन बाय एंड इनका सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया बाय रीटा। नेक्स्ट नंबर बी, the teacher will have checked the identity cards by lunch break. Active voice, passive voice में होगा the identity cards will have been checked by the teacher by lunch break. Passive voice. Next, number C, he will have consulted a doctor before 8 p.m. Active voice. So इनका पैसिव फॉर्म होगा ए डॉक्टर विल हैव बीन कंसल्टेड बाय हिम बिफोर 8 p.m. नेक्स्ट नंबर डी, विल दे हैव ओपन्ड ए न्यू अकाउंट बिफोर द एंड ऑफ द मंथ। एक्टिव वॉइस, इसमें विल फ्यूचर परफेक्ट का इंटरोगेटिव के लिए पहले विल इस्तेमाल होता है। सो विल दे हैव ओपन्ड मीन्स दे विल हैव ओपन्ड। इन अफर्मेटिव दे विल हैव ओपन्ड होता है। सो दे विल हैव ओपन्ड ए न्यू अकाउंट। इसमें देयर सब्जेक्ट है, देयर इज द सब्जेक्ट हियर। विल हैव ओपन्ड वर्ब है, ए न्यू अकाउंट ऑब्जेक्ट, बिफोर द एंड ऑफ द मंथ एडिशनल पार्ट of the sentence. Active voice. So passive voice में भी here in passive voice also will write will first will and will make the object subject. A new account have been opened by them before the end of the month. A by preposition, them object, फर्स्ट दे सब्जेक्ट है, इनका ऑब्जेक्ट डेम हो गया एंड बिफोर द एंड ऑफ द मंथ एडिशनल पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विथ द पैसिव फॉर्म ऑफ verbs इन द फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस। नंबर ए, द लेसन डैश बाय मी बाय फ्राइडे within bracket revise, verb revise. Active voice. In passive voice, the answer will be the lesson will have been revised by me by Friday. Next number B, lunch dash by mother by 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Prepare, within bracket prepare verb. Active voice. In passive voice, lunch will have been prepared by mother by 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Passive voice. Next number C, admission form dash by Ravi by the next week. Within bracket fill. Active voice. So in passive voice, admission form will have been filled by Rabi by the next week. Passive voice. Next, question number 2. Change the following sentences from active to passive voice. Number A. They will have distributed the forms by Saturday. Active voice. They subject. Here they is the subject. Will have distributed the verb. The forms object by Saturday. Additional part of the sentence. Now in passive voice, passive form will be the forms will have been distributed by them by Saturday. Passive voice. She will have washed the dishes before evening. She is the subject here. Will have washed verb. The dishes object before evening. Additional part of the sentence. Here in passive form will be the dishes will have been washed by her before evening. Next, number C. Will they have closed the gates before 9 p.m.? Question mark. Active voice. In passive voice, will the gates have been closed before 9 p.m.? Passive voice. Next, number D. The birds will have built the nest in the next few days. The bird subject will have built verb. The nest object in the next few days. Active voice. Additional part. In passive voice, the nest will have been built by the birds in the next few days. Passive voice. Number E. The train will have carried many passengers before it reaches its final destination. Active voice. The train subject will have carried verb. Many passengers object before it reaches its final destination. Additional part of the sentence. In passive form, the answer will be in passive form. Many passengers will have been carried by the train before it reaches its final destination. So students, thank you very much.